Now, this rant is about online dating. I'm finna tell y'all my experience with it. And I had this rant before, but it's a long story, but I think I got 10 minutes to cut it up. Okay, when I was younger, now I'm 38 right now, so y'all got to do the math. But when I was like 13, and that was in the 90s, probably the early 90s, yeah. The middle, early, like 96, 95. But I used to do the chat line. Now, y'all younger folks don't know about the chat line. Y'all probably do. But the chat line was a phone number you call and a whole bunch of people. And I was on 2 chat lines. And I met a lot of people, and I still know them from this day. Like, some died and all. It's like crazy. But it was a chat line. You call the number, a bunch of people be in the room talking, and then you can go private with the person and stuff like that, and then y'all chat, or you can make groups and then y'all just chat in that group. And on the chat line, well, the one that I was on for dating, I met some really good people. I still know the person today. He married with kids, but we still friends. And the other chat line I was on was mainly for friends. And on that chat line, we just used to meet up at the club, have a good time. We'd meet at like house parties, all kind of stuff. A whole bunch of craziness, but it was a good time. All of it was a good time. It's something I would never forget. But nowadays, when the chat line was over, and then I got back single, and then the chat line wasn't no more, and then I figured I was online dating. I started online dating. Online dating was damn good. I mean, damn good. And I don't think I'm all that. Well, I do think I'm all that, but you may not think I'm all that, and that's your problem. So keep strolling and get out my story. Get out my fan. Get out of this. Just go. Okay? No haters at this moment. But anyways, the online chat line, I met a lot of good people, but I kind of figured out why people meet bad people, because I never met a bad person online dating. Tell you the truth, never. But like, say if I met somebody at the store or stuff, I had some bad experiences. Oh shit! Look at this freaking rat. Y'all see him? What the fuck? Cause it got warm. It's crazy. Oh! But he almost made me lose my train of thought. Jesus. But anyways, I never met a single bad date off of the and I'm not no person that give it up on the first night, so don't even think that. All of my relationships I ever had is probably about two. It was long-term relationships, and I can go down the timeline with you. It's either been a year or more. I just wasn't marriage material, but hey, I was a good time. And I can admit that. Shit. But anyways, the people I met in the street, like at the store and stuff, I've been in through some bad stuff with them people. And let me tell you the factors of why the internet. Let me tell you what to do when you go internet dating. If you dating to meet a partner. And it's just like the series on Netflix that I will suggest you to go watch, called Love is Blind. It's the same exact thing. And I thought of this rant last night when I was watching Love is Blind. But I'm glad I thought about it today. But when you're online dating, you got to talk to the person for a long period of time. I don't care if you really want to see them, and they really want to see you, because my granddaddy always told me that time will tell. He always used to say that quote, like out of the blue. Time will tell, and time will tell. Once you rush out, they be like, "Oh, you want to go see each other," and this, and y'all go on a date. Stuff is moving too fast. Patience is the key, and patience is priceless. A lot of people don't have patience nowadays because of all this internet technology stroll. Stuff is fast and stuff. People don't have patience like they used to. You have to have jigsaw patience if you're trying to look for a real committed relationship, like jigsaw patience. And I tell my friends this. People say I have good advice. I just don't take my advice all the time. But anyways, I ain't gonna toot my own horn, but I got all of this from experience and wisdom. And this is what I do. And probably a criminal listening to me right now, he probably might try it, but time will tell. Because anybody that's trying to do anything harmful, bad and wrong and disgusting with you and just is a bad person, they don't have time to play around. They don't. They know they don't have time. They don't even give a fuck about their time. They on in yourself mission. I don't want to say the word because they might cut this video off, but they on the in yourself mission. So they don't have time and patience and stuff like that. They want stuff fast, like this, like fast. I don't care. Y'all can sit, video chat. Y'all can talk. I mean, you getting to know the person. And then y'all building this relationship. Now, I'm not saying that, like, throughout that talking, if y'all just saying 1 or 2 words and say, "Oh, I gotta go," no, I'm not talking about that. But when you can sit for hours on the phone and talk to them every day, and you waiting around to talk to them, and you just like, "Oh, I love talking to this person." You can talk to them for 2 or 3 hours. Now, yes, that is something. Something is there. And let me tell you, crooks don't have time for that. See, how y'all end up in these bad things online is because y'all rush. Soon as person get online, "Oh, you want to go out to dinner on Friday?" "Yeah, I'm going to go out on dinner on Friday." It's just rush. You didn't even get to know this motherfucker you going out on dinner with. You feel me? Because as you sit and talk on the phone with somebody, if they a horny son of a gun, they going to talk some horny son of a gun stuff. And it depends on what kind of stuff that you like. Because all of it ain't bad if it's up your alley. I'm just saying, though. And I think that's y'all biggest problem. Y'all rush because y'all see this stuff on TV. And y'all see this stuff, like, all around town. Like, we talked online and then we just went on. He asked me out on a date. Oh, my God. No, honey. Baby, I'm booked, but I can talk, I can text, I can do all of that. All the relationships that I rushed into was hideous. Ended up badly, like my life was on the line, badly. But anything that I took my patience with, if it's over, it was good. It was all good, no regrets. I love you. I wish you the best, baby. For real. I'm just telling y'all the tea, man. When y'all go online, get to know the person. And let them get to know you. Like, you gotta be vulnerable. They gotta be vulnerable. That's if you looking for a relationship. Now, if you ain't looking for no relationship, because I know some people that don't look for a relationship. They down to get down and, okay, baby, do you. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the people who looking for a relationship. Because as a good person, I'm not even say bad people is out there in the streets, but a lot of people, like I am right now, I like to be home, comfortable, doing my thing. How the hell I'm expect to be the partner doing this? It's only one way nowadays, and it's a blessing. Online, you can do that to comfort your home. You don't even have to get out, get dressed, put on your makeup. You don't have to do none of that. You just sitting there, boo. So I consider that a blessing. And I'm not like y'all guys talking about, oh, nobody out here, everybody bad. No, God wants everybody to be with each other. In the Bible, it say 2 is better than 1. So I'm not with that. That sounds like devil talk to me. And I feel like everybody is someone out there for everybody. It is. No matter if you cripple or crazy, somebody is out there for you. So don't let nobody tell you different. So I know this time is ending. 10 minutes is quick for me. Okay. This message is for all my single people, and I'm single. But it's about online dating. Like I said before in one of my past rants, back in the day, online dating was so good. I met friends on there. I met people I still know to this day on there. You feel me? Because back in the day, they had it where they even have friends, or if you want to date, whatever. But nowadays, I suggest people who don't go out to just try it. And if you're really serious about finding a relationship, like really serious, and you don't leave your house, you're going to have to pay. I'm sorry. Like Match.com. I mean, I never paid, but if I ever get to the point where I'm very serious and I don't leave the house, hey. But, I mean, to me, my favorite one now is Tinder. But each dating platform have this, like, I think Plenty of Fish is hood. Because somebody tried to sell me some trees on there more than one time. No tea, no shade, but I think Plenty of Fish is hood. But my suggestion is talk and get to know the person. If a person rushing to meet you, they up to no good. I don't care if you got to talk to them for 6 months. My grandfather always told me, time will tell. That's what one of his sayings all the time. Time will tell. Because even now, I can see the people that just want to fool around or not serious or whatever. Because as soon as you say, nah, they be like, oh, you want to go out for the? Nah, I'm good. Thank you anyways. You don't even hear back from their ass. Or they'll just be like, not as how they was. Like, you feel me? I remember this one guy, he told me, we was talking for a couple of days, probably a week. And he asked me, he said, you want to go out for lunch? I was busy at the time. But this is what made me think about this analogy, because stuff I talk about, I do put it to test. I said, nah. Yeah, I had to take it off. But anyways, I was saying, I said, oh no, I'm a little bit busy, which I was busy, and I wasn't thinking nothing of it. But this is what made me test the test and made me think about what my granddaddy said. And this been just a week. 1 week. I usually 6 months. But anyways, as soon as I said that, you know what this dude say? He said, lose my number then. I said, okay. Bye. Like, it's no sweat off my back. I'm looking, but I ain't desperate. I'm not even looking. It's whatever God drop in my plate. But I think it's done got whack. Like, I think it was so good back in the days because everybody wasn't into it. Everybody was against the internet. It was just a selective few that was really down for the internet and down for that. And you will meet some good people. But nowadays, and then sometimes, you know, another thing, I be seeing guys like on other social media platforms, they be like, oh, all girls want me for is my money. All girls want me for this. Whatever you show in your pictures, that's what you advertising, boo. If it's a false advertisement, maybe you shouldn't advertise it. If you want somebody to want you for you, you should be sitting on the couch chilling, taking a picture. Or sitting in a corner with nothing behind you. Sitting outside at a park or something. You feel me? If you ain't about that life, because some people are about that life, it's just not you. Period, point blank. Don't false advertisement on nothing. especially that's when I get on those sites. I put up, well, I think this time I put up okay pictures, but usually I put up raggedy ass pictures. So when I come, I look better than the picture. And I tell people to do that shit. They don't listen, but a lot of people every time they say, you look better in your picture. That was my point. I don't know. I mean, I'm not like conceited, but I am me. I am God, what God made me. So, you know, I do suggest people that's single. And you cannot listen to these people talking about ain't nobody no good anymore. Everybody out to get that. That's negativity because everybody is not out to get everything. I feel like I'm a good person. And if you're a guy and you're a good person, you feel like you're a good person. All that negative stuff in the air just really took my fancy. It's just really because it's always, oh, I'm going to be single for the rest of my life because I don't trust nobody. I don't trust nobody either. But, hey, I take risks. That's probably the reason why I decided to get a business, because I do take risks. You know, and all about business is all about risk. Hello? Listen to everybody that works. Everybody that works, they suggest you to work because they scared to take a risk. Business, it's not beautiful. You have to be really passionate to have a business, though. But anyways, that's against the point. That is against the hunt. But man, don't listen to this negative stuff. Trust your gut and wait as long as you possibly can. Don't rush out and date. Jump out on the date, because that's how you get got. I got more street sense than book smart. I feel. But hey, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, just don't jump out there. Talk to the person. See how they is. Because stuff is going to slip up. I'm not going to lie. Especially when you talk to, I feel like when you talk to women, men can pretend for a long time. Because men, I feel like men, they think with their Peter Whacker a lot. So they Peter Whacker say, hey, we come. But with women, we trying to do the real thing and shit gonna come out. So y'all men, you got to hold back sometimes. And you'll get the right person because you'll know y'all interests. Oh, I'll be like, oh, I like that too, you know, you feel me? Any relationship that I have that's lasted until now, we really talk. Sit on the phone, talk for hours. Every single person. So, I mean, some people here and there, but we talk in person for hours, or we talk on the phone for hours. Either or, we talking. But I just wanted to get that out there because, I mean, like the Bible say, 2 is better than 1. And that is the truth. I don't know how, I mean, I enjoy being single because I'm me. I like my free time. I like my solitude, man. But, I can get, I ain't even gonna go into that part. Anyway, yeah, don't give up on love. You have to give love to receive love too, man. And I don't know how some of y'all can love one minute and don't love and hate the next. I can't do that. If I really love somebody, I really love them, no matter what we go through or whatever. Sometimes it takes time. You know? Sometimes I hear people, they love a person 1 minute, next minute, they hate that motherfucker. I don't know where they do that at, but hey. I think my time's up, so let me see where I'm at. Whew. Yeah, it is. So, y'all have a good day. Happy Wednesday. Keep a smile on your face.